We're here taking a tour of the 2131 floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, craftsman style 2-story home. It has a primary bedroom upstairs. This particular one has the brick trim on the front lower level with the craftsman details of the craftsman front door and garage door, side lights into the foyer. And this has a very large family room, great room. Off the foyer is a half bath. This has the interior fireplace. Another option would be an outside fireplace, which would be basically the mantle and hearth would be flush with the wall. It's a nice bright room with a coat closet for guests and lots of windows. All the windows are low E glass and they're double pane, maintenance-free vinyl. This home has the optional upgraded kitchen, white shaker style cabinets. The openings are 8 feet tall, encased. And the kitchen and the dining area is very large. We've got optional subway tile backsplash, standard granite countertops, and standard appliances with a smooth top range, microwave oven, and dishwasher. Nice and bright, lots of storage. There's a room, mudroom going to the garage with a craftsman style door. Room for a drop zone. And then a nice large pantry. There's a nook for a break front. And another good size closet, walk-in closet. And again, this is a very large downstairs space, looking over the dining area through the kitchen and into the family room. Standard brushed nickel fixtures. All of the recessed lighting is standard. And a lot of storage in the closets in this home. Let's take a look upstairs. Standard oak handrail with white painted spindles. And 9-foot ceilings on the lower level. Let's see what the primary looks like. We've got, again, the craftsman style doors, standard ceiling fan in the primary and in the family room. And nice bright room, double windows in the front and 2 windows to the side. Good size, large primary bedroom. There's a soaking tub and a shower in the master bath. The shower is a 1-piece fiberglass with a door, and this 5-foot soaking tub with a window. And we've got, in this home, the granite was chosen for the countertops in the bathrooms. And again, the white upgraded cabinetry. And there's a water closet with its own door and a walk-in closet off the bathroom. So there's a good amount of storage, there's a nook, and then nice size walk-in closet for the master. There's 3 additional bedrooms upstairs, double doors in the rear bedroom for the closet, good sized room. All of the other bedrooms share a bathroom with 2 sinks. Front bedroom. Again, all of the bedrooms have lights in the ceiling for ceiling fans and double doors on the closets. Front corner bedroom again. Nice and bright, double windows with a side window. And then the bathroom is kind of a Jack and Jill setup with a shower, tub combo, toilet with a door, and then a double sink with its own door. Linen closet off the hallway, and upstairs laundry room as well. This has the standard vinyl flooring in all the bathrooms and in the laundry. Quick look at the 2131 floor plan.